Okay guys, here's another video I'm doing tonight, comparing some of the most powerful LED light, floodlight in the market. 48 watt with 16 LED. Is it 16 LED? Yeah, 16 LED. 3 watt each. So you got 48 watts together, something around 3,000 lumens, I think, or 3,200 lumens. This thing weighs like a ton. It is about 1.4 kg heavy, very heavy. Compared to one of my new model, it's going to release later. This thing is about 3,000 lumen output with one single Cree LED. I don't have the model number yet. Will be, telling you later when I have the exact model number and the power output. And this thing weighs about 300 grams or 320 grams, something like that. So this is 0.3 kg. Oh, sorry. Yeah, 0.3 kg. This is 1.4 kg. So lots of difference here. It's much lighter, smaller. Much lighter and smaller. This is bigger, bulkier and heavier. This is the 48 watt floodlight you can find in the market with 16 LEDs, 3 watts each. This is the one single Cree LED. Okay, give me a second. I'm going to power up and show you the difference. Okay, now I'm gonna first do the 48 watt 16 LED floodlight you can buy in the market, the heavy one, 1.4 kg heavy. There you go. This is the 48 watt heavy duty powerful LED light, floodlight you can find in the market. Okay, and I'm going to do the next one, the new model I'm going to release, something around 3,000 lumens, I think around 25 watt or 20 watt or something like that, don't know exactly yet. Here you go. Okay, here's the 3,000 lumens. 3,000 lumen. Oh, sorry. LED. This is the model I'm selling here. Okay, small size. Light enough. Yeah, put it back further. Okay. Okay, show you the 48 watt again. .48 watt. Here we go. And then the 3,000 lumen new model. I think this one, this one, this one, this one together. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I'm going to do another video later on when I know the exact model number and power output of the new model. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.